If you need to recover your Fourth Capital bank account but don't have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Fourth Capital Bank website. Go to the official Fourth Capital Bank website. Look for the login section and find the option for account recovery or forgot password. Step 2. Select account recovery options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing personal information such as your date of birth or address. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a recovery link or temporary password. Make sure to look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Reset your password. Use the link or temporary password from your email to access your account. Once logged in, follow the prompts to create a new password and regain full access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Fourth Capital bank account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.